We are about to start pageantry, which is a customary process in Rotary. So it will be led by Senior Sergeant of Arms, Rotarian Chokalingam, followed by remaining members can please be seated, followed by our own town president, Rotarian Karthik Ramurthy, new club president, Rotarian Karthikeyan, and our dynamic governor, Rotarian Rajshekhar Srinivasan. District trainer is on his way, I think. Okay. And new club advisor, Rotarian Chaudhary. District General Secretary, Murugan, is on his way. Is there? Oh, Murugan, sorry. You're not standing there. Sorry. Sorry, Murugan. Membership Development Chair, Rotarian Tyagarajan. Assistant Governor, Rotarian Muruganandan. GGR, Sitaraman. Town Secretary, Rotarian Sendil Kumar. The new club to be formed, Secretary Rotarian Anand, followed by the Junior Sergeant Arms, Rotarian Pradesh Kumar. Please give them a round of applause, please, gentlemen. I request the Sergeant of Arms to escort President Rotarian Karthik Ramurthy to the stage where he'll be collared and he'll call the meeting to order. We will have the Rotary prayer by Rotarian Benny. Rotarian Benny, he will also deliver the four-way test.
O God, creator of all things, Father of mankind, we thank thee for inspiring our founder with the principles of Rotary based on high ideals and morality. We implore thee to help us Rotarians to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars, colors, creed, and clime, for the removal of economic and social barriers, and for the proper understanding of the sanctity and human personality, and the dignity of labor so that all individuals, all families, and all nations may live in amity and fellowship and unite around the holy feet and hail thee as though really art, our one true, eternal, and all-loving Father. Four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? It is fair to all concerned. It will build goodwill and better friendship. Will be beneficial to all concerned. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we will have Rotarian Karthik, President of Rotary Town, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to all of you. I'd like to welcome our District Governor, Rotarian Rajshekhar.
Go fast. Anybody give.
our District General Secretary, Rotarian Murugan. Membership Development Chair, Rotarian C.T. Tyagarajan. Assistant Governor, Rotarian Muruganandam. GGR, Rotarian Sitaraman. Our Sister Club President, Rotarian Balaji Babu. And all the Rotarians of our home club. Welcome you to the installation and charter ceremony of our new club, the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Pride. Thank you.
Growth is essential for development. To get new ideas is not difficult, but to implement them is difficult. I invite Rotarian Chowdhury to tell us about the evolution of this new club, Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride.
District Governor Rajshekhar, District Trainee, yet to come, I suppose. DGS Murugan, officials of RI District 3201. At the outset, I would like to recall to the audience that the first Rotary Club was started in Chicago in 1905 by Paul Harris, who wanted to bring together a group of professionals with different backgrounds and skills as a way to exchange ideas and form meaningful acquaintances. Just a reminder, that's all. From 4 members in 1905, Rotary today boasts of 1.2 million based out of 35,000 club over to 220 countries. I probably may be wrong. DG, you can correct me. This is the statistics published in Rotary.org. Rotary.org also states that most new clubs are started by current Rotarians. Let me emphasize, current Rotarians. New clubs are started by current Rotarians. Further, I understand from Rotary International is that founding a Rotary Club can, among other goals, create a different Rotary Club experience by exploring various club models and creating one which pursues new possibilities in establishing a wider network to generate fresh ideas. And this is exactly what is being attempted by the few Rotarians of 2021, of the year 2021, who embarked on a journey to put together an e-club which would be a hybrid. My good old friend Raj, I would like to thank you for the confidence imposed in me by appointing me as the NCA of this nascent baby. A reflection, I guess my claim in Rotary, to fame in Rotary, is not district positions or donations, which I'm a very poor donor, I would say, but ensuring a spurt in growth of members now and then. 15 years ago, in the midst of a very fierce opposition, were born Centennial and Akruti. History is repeating itself in Pride today. When most clubs would like and do meet in person, there are clubs who prefer online meetings and a combination of both. RI has listed a variety of club options, models that could be basis of the structure of a club. In the course of the time we spent together, that's me and Karthi in the last few years, we have been discussing about how to form a club that is unique and opens up much wider opportunities, wider networking opportunities, member opportunities within the framework of RI. So thus was born the concept of the new club. The new club intends to structure itself on an online model. Fortnightly meetings will be visual. When a location has more than 8 members, it will be termed as a satellite group who could also have interaction within themselves. The satellite group will be an alter ego of the concept of satellite club as defined by RI. Every quarter, the club in association with one satellite group will host a dinner meeting each time in a different location. Pride does and will boast of members from all over the world. While Coimbatore has given the basic impetus, Pride today, as you will see later on, will have members from Bangalore, Chennai, Mangalore, Karaikal, Kanpur, and overseas members from UAE and the US. In fact, one member has come all the way from UAE to attend this meeting. We do have also now membership inquiries from Malaysia and Singapore, which is actually surprising. In fact, we are going to be inducting one member from Singapore as well. A good buddy and well-wisher, Murugan, I would like to thank you for the wonderful orientation you provided to us members. In a lighter vein, I look forward to the Karthi versus Karthi duel today. As the wife for the top honors, the sponsor and the sponsored. Do allow me to acknowledge the efforts of both the Karthis and our Anand and Rajaram to ensure that we achieved this milestone today. When the whole club was being thought about, I needed 2 or 3 good hands to help me make my dream a reality. So I needed a gentleman who is versed in Rotary, well versed in Rotary. At the same time, he should be able to have a good wide network. So which is what Karthi has. I hope so. So he would be able to put he was instrumental in putting this club together, and with active support from Anand. Anand, little lazy, but very effective when it comes to start working. And he has done a very good job. Rajaram is my conscious keeper who doesn't allow me to go anywhere wrong. We have DT with us. Nice to have you here, DT, and we look forward to having your inputs into the club. As the charter president of Centennial, I would like to place on record the deep insight I have gained in Rotary and life in my stint in Centennial. Today onwards, I look forward to an advisory role in ePride. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaudhary. And I'm sure this is going to be the pride of RI District 3201. We have the pleasure of having our ever-smiling, handsome, and most S district trainer, Rotarian Pati. Well, a Rotary Club is made of members, and Rotary Coimbatore Pride is proud to have, till now they are 45, and like Chaudhary said, they have another 5 people willing to join. So I will start calling out their names, introducing them. I would request those gentlemen who are available here, please come up to the dais. We start with the most dynamic Rotarian J.V. Chaudhary, who will be the club, who is a new club advisor, also a member of Rotary Pride. The incoming president, charter president, Rotarian D.K. Karthikeyan. Next. Rotarian Anand, who will be the charter secretary. His classification is textiles. Who will be the treasurer? His classification is vintage car restoration. He is from Coimbatore. Then we have R.K. Sundaram, classification income tax practice. He is from Karikal. Therapist, location Coimbatore. Then we have Arun Kumar, classification agriculture. He is from Mangalore. Welcome, sir. Balasubramaniam, classification logistics. He is from Coimbatore. Jayachandran, he is into brand management. He is from Coimbatore. Loganathan, he is into financial service. He is also from Coimbatore. Murgesh, he is into project management. He is from Dubai. Welcome, sir, from all the way from Dubai. Salam alaikum. Palnisami, civil construction, Karikal. Rajaram, classification automobiles, Coimbatore. Raju Subramaniam, classification builders and promoters, Coimbatore. Ram Prasad, he is into banking, he is from Palagat. Dr. Ravi Tyagarajan, a physician based in Coimbatore. Ravi, classification infrastructure, Coimbatore. Ravi Shankar S, healthcare. His classification is healthcare. He is also from Coimbatore. Shakti Venkatesh, he is into hospitality. He is also from Coimbatore. Srinivasan Venkateshan, trading, he is into trading. He is from Coimbatore, a good friend of mine. Nice to see you here. Vignesh Kumar, financial consultant, Coimbatore based. Vijay Anand, he is a software consultant. He is also from Coimbatore. Dharmalingam, he is into administration. He is from Coimbatore. Unfortunately, he is not been able to come here due to medical reasons. Sundar Balakrishnan, he is into education. He is also from Coimbatore. Again, due to some medical reasons, he is unable to join us. Suresh Kumar Agarwal is into business. He is based in Coimbatore, a very leading businessman. Due to his business commitments, he is not able to join us. Armugam Perisami, financial services, he is from Chennai. Now, these gentlemen who are not here, who are from out of Coimbatore, will be joining us on Zoom. They are already on the Zoom meeting. They will be joining us in the Zoom meeting. Aggie George is into life science. He is based in Chennai. Joseph Stanley, petrochemicals classification. He is from Qatar. Jyoti Ramalingam is into engineering. He is based in Chennai. Kanagraj Doraisamy is into e-commerce. He is based in USA. Lavanya Uday Shankar, she is a homemaker. She is based in Bangalore. Prasad is into sales and marketing. He is based in Bangalore. Radhakrishnan is into organic farming. He is from Mailadurai. Raghu Netaji, hospitality and real estate, based at Chennai. Ravi Mishra is into business. He is based at Kanpur. Ratish Shashidharan is a quality evaluator based at Abu Dhabi. Satish Kumar, operation theater architect, a specialist architect based at Coimbatore. Selvaraj into manufacturing based at Bangalore. But Tirumuleshwar Bhatt is into construction. He is based in South Kannada district, Karnataka. Venkatesh Pakrisamy, his classification is infrastructure management. He is from Karaikal. Nice to have you, sir. Jaya Rajmohan, classification optical showroom. She is based in Coimbatore. Paul Raj Jaykumar, his classification is quality control engineering. He is based at Singapore. I think that's it. So these are going to be the members of the latest club of RI District 321, Rotary E Club of Coimbatore Pride. I now invite Assistant Governor Muruganandan to please do the honors of inducting them into Rotary. I would request none other than our most dynamic membership chair, C.T. Tyagarajan, who's most essential, I know for record, he has brought in the maximum number of Rotarians and new clubs into our district to join him also and have the joy of bringing more members into the fold of Rotary. Sorry.
Yeah. Distinguished Chief Guest, District Governor Rotarian Rajasekhar, District Trainer PDG A.B. Pati, my dear friend DGS Rotarian Murugan, District Chairman, Membership Chairman C.T. Tyagarajan, and GGR Rotarian Sitaram, President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town, Rotarian Karthik, and Secretary Senthil Kumar, and incoming President Rotarian Karthikayan, and Secretary Anand. My dear Rotarians of the dais, it's a happy and warm greetings to all of you. Now I propose to induct the newly Coimbatore E Club of Coimbatore Pride. The Pride name itself வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு கேட்கறப்ப. Prideங்கிறப்ப நமக்கு கர்வம் ஒரு இது எந்த ஒரு Prideங்கிறது யார் செலக்ட் பண்ணாங்க தெரியல. ஹேட்ஸ் ஆஃப் டு யூ சார். அந்த Prideங்கிற நேம் இருக்கு. ஓ மை டிஜி அவர் ஆல்வேஸ் எவர் ஸ்மைலிங். சூப்பர் சார். அந்த Prideங்கிற வார்த்தையை கேட்கறக்கே சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. கோயம்புத்தூர் புது ஒரு வேர்டு கிரியேட் பண்ணி ஒரு நிறைய கிளப்ஸ் இருக்கு, நிறைய கிளப் நியூ ஜெனரேஷன் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. இந்த ப்ரைடுங்கிற மொமெண்ட் வந்து ஒரு நம்ம ட்ரெயினில் சொல்ற மாதிரி ஷேர் கேர் அண்ட் ஜாய் சொல்ற மாதிரி ஒரு அந்த வேர்டுக்குலாம் சேர்ந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது ப்ரைடுங்கிறது. ஸோ கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன் டிஜி. Now I propose to have a new member induction. Welcome to Rotary. You have been invited to join our organization based on your vacation. I am delighted to tell you that Rotary is an international organization more than 100 years old. We have a membership strength of 2 lakhs across the globe. You should regard your admission to the worldwide organization of Rotary International as a matter or personal pride and vocational privilege on account of the classification as Rotarian and other all classifications that has been loaned to you, which you should always treasure as a precious trust. On this solemn occasion, would you solemnly pledge that you accept our motto, service above self, to be the ideal of your life, that you shall abide by the constitution and the bylaws of our organization, that you shall serve the community by way of your vocation, that you shall pay the club dues on demand, that you shall attend the meetings regularly. If you do pledge, raise your right hand and say, I do. Kindly raise your right hand and say, I do. I now formally admit you to the membership of this club that gives you the honor and privilege to join the Rotary of family. You will be known as Rotarian, your spouse as Anne, and children as Annals. Fellow Rotarians, let us welcome our newest members of Rotary Club Pride and their family with a standing ovation. To mark the beginning, we like to fix the pin and give the Rotary mandates. I had to call upon our CTT to fix the pin also.
May I request the members to please stand up for 2 minutes? Just stand there itself. Please stay there. Please stay there. I request, this is a moment for memories. May I request our district governor and district trainer, please join them with the new club for a picture for memories. And our own DGS Murugan and GGR. This is a moment to relish. I didn't want to call them up again. That's why. Since everybody is there, CT, you can join them up. Please go up. Join up. All of you, join up. All of you go up. President Karthi, good. Well, here they are, the latest Rotarians of RI District 3301 and the Rotary International. Give them a big round of applause, gentlemen. Photographer, sir, have you taken out your photograph? Come on, guys, why are you so serious? Let's say pride. Okay, Coimbatore pride. Come on. 1, 2, 3. லேட்டா வந்தா லேட்டஸ்டா தான் வருவார். எப்பவுமே கரெக்ட் டைம் கொண்டு வருவார். Can you remove your mask for the photograph, please? Yes, thank you. One thumbs up. Yeah. I didn't hear it. Once more. Okay, thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. While everybody is taking their seat, this is something which I should have told in the starting. Anyway, I request you, everybody has these small things in our pockets, the wiggly fellows who will keep shaking and making funny sounds, Kindly switch them off or put on silent mode. If anybody's phone rings in between, the sergeant of arms will not only seize the phone, but you will have to pay a penalty of $100, which will go to the foundation. Yes, okay. A wise man once said that when the inner light burns, it illuminates the whole world. Now we invite District Governor, Rotarian Rajshekhar Srinivasan, DGS Murugan, District Trainer Pati, Club Advisor Chaudhary, Assistant Governor Muruganandam to kindly light the lamp which will symbolically signal the start of this new club. And It will bring light to the whole Rotary world. Go, go. City, please join them. City, please join them. Switch it off. वक्रतुंडाय महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुर्मदेव सर्वकार्यसु सर्वदा. We seek the blessings of the Almighty. So let this start be a very auspicious start. Thank you, gentlemen. I now invite President Rotarian Karthik to introduce the Charter President of Rotary E Club, Coimbatore Pride, Rotarian Karthikeyan.
Rotarian DK Karthikeyan is a PHF member. He is a director of Texas Ventures and editorial director of Industry 4.0. He is a board member of JS Group in Mumbai. He is also an advisor and mentor in Connecting the Dots, an Industry 4.0 initiative to support the startups. He is an agriculture by heart and practices organic farming in his Sri Lakshmi Narayana farms. Other honorary positions held by him are President Kovai Journalist and Media Welfare Club, Secretary Sivananda Colony Residents Welfare Association, Honorary President All India People Rights and Legal Awareness Organization, Honorary Editor, Chair and Murasu and Kovai Talk, Tamil Weekly Newspapers, Management Committee Member, Coimbatore Management Association. His Rotary journey started in the year 2006. He was the Secretary in 2009-10 and President in the year 18-19 for the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Centennial. He is married to Vijay Lakshmi and blessed with a daughter, K. Aishwarya Lakshmi. Here I present DK Karthikeyan, the Charter President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Pride.
I invite our most dynamic district governor, Rotarian Rajshekhar Srinivasan, to collar the Charter President and present him with a gavel and bell as symbols of President and also pin him. It's okay, leave it off. Off.
Take great pleasure installing you President of Rotary Club of
I request our most efficient, Rajshekar, may I request you to just stay on for a few minutes. District General Secretary to come up on stage and hand over the charter to incoming Secretary Rotarian Anand. We'll also request the club advisor Rotarian Chaudhary to join them. The ever dynamic trainer AG, GGR, CT, please join. All these are memorable moments. Your presence is very essential. I request Charter President Rotarian Karthikeyan to deliver his acceptance speech.
Formation of a new club brings change to the old club, forces the existing club to look at confidentialities and often brings about positive change. A newly created club forces its older club to become better. Everyone benefits, the community, Rotary International, new members and the existing members from the formation of new Rotary clubs. Words of Paul Harris in 1930 at RI Convention. President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town, Rotarian Karthik Ramamurthy, District Governor, Rotarian Rajshekar Srinivasan, District Trainer, PDG, AB Pati, District General Secretary, Rotarian M. Murugan, New Club Advisor, Rotarian JV Chaudhary, Membership Development Chair, Rotarian CT Tyagarajan, AG Rotarian Muruganandam, GGR Rotarian Sitaraman, Governor's Bulletin Editor, Rotarian Suresh Lund, other district officials, AGs, fellow presidents, Rotarians, and our dear club members. Warm good evening to you all. Satyam Sivam Sundaram. Truth is God. God is beautiful. The beauty of truth cannot be eclipsed for long by falsehoods. And as it dawns, the truth shines even brighter, bringing about a greater joy. I found myself at a crossroads this year in Rotary. I either had to remain dormant, bowing down to placid seniority within, or evolve independently under the guidance of a visionary of Rotary, and in progress help open up yet another chapter in the membership growth of District 3201. The Rotary Club of Town and its president, my friend Rotarian Karthik Ramamurthy, has brought that streak of joy into my life today. I do feel elated at being installed as the charter president of the newly formed Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride by our district governor. As much as all efforts that have been made to ensure that our new club is formed with a very few experienced Rotary hands as the core, and then brings in newer faces into the Rotary movement, in a fact that retention of members is more valuable than addition. If a club is not able to retain its members, the cause for it is to be sought for within, rather than make a new club a scapegoat for that. As president of this nascent baby, I do not wish to make tall promises or announce major programs. However, it is with pride to announce that our E-Club Pride will be 100 members strong club by this Rotary year end. Thank you members. I am indeed humbled by the august presence of the leading Rotary personalities of our district and beyond here today. I must, on behalf of Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride, thank all of you Rotarians for having come here today and bless this new baby. Thank you.
I request you to stay back, Karthikeyan, and you will be introducing your board. As I call out your names, don't want? Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. As our governor is,
I'll announce the board.
you just announce the board. You want me to announce it? Yeah, you can just call out the board. That'll be nice.
I'll just- I'm very happy and honored to announce Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride first board. Board of Rotary Pride Board of Rotary year 2021-2022. Club advisor Rotarian Georgie Chaudhary JV. Charter President myself. Vice President Rotarian Suresh Kumar Agarwal. Vice President Rotarian Murugesh S. President-elect Rotarian R.K. Sundaram. President nominee Rotarian K. Selvaraj. Charter Secretary Rotarian R. Anand. Joint Secretary Rotarian Vignesh Kumar and Jayachandran P.S. Executive Secretary Dr. Ravi Tyagarajan. Club Treasurer Rotarian C. Rajaram. Sergeant at Arms Senior Rotarian Sundar Balakrishnan. Sergeant at Arms Junior Rotarian Venkatesh Pakrisamy. I would now request Senior Sergeant at Arms and Junior Sergeant at Arms to come on to the stage, please. Venkatesh.
Venkatesh.
Town Senior Sergeant at Arms will do the honors, please. Senior Sergeant at Arms Rotarian Sundar Balakrishnan. Thank you. Thank you. Now I will go to the avenue chairs. Chair Club Administration Rotarian C. Rajaram, CP Rajaram. Sir, Rajaram is treasurer. Rotarian CP Rajaram. Okay. Rotarian Club Chair Club Administration Social Events Rotarian Shakti Venkateshan. Chair Membership Development Rotarian C. Loganathan. Chair Women Membership Development Rotarian Lavanya Uday Shankar. Chair Public Image Rotarian Raghu Netaji. Chair Public Image Web and Social Media Vijayanand Chanmugh Sundaram. Chair RI Projects Rotarian Arumugam Periyasamy. Chair Vocational Service Rotarian Joseph Sabu Stanley. Chair Community Service Rotarian Satish Kumar V. Chair Community Service Medical Rotarian Dr. Arun Kumar. Chair Community Service Non-Medical Rotarian S. Ravi Shankar. Chair International Service Rotarian Kanagaraj D. Chair Environment Rotarian Arun Kumar Kedukodi. Chair Rotary Foundation Rotarian T. Vignesh Kumar. Chair Youth Service Rotarian Prasad V. Chair Rotary Club Formation Rotarian Palanisamy P. Chair Interact Club Formation Rotarian Srinivasan Venkatesan. Chair Satellite Group Formation Rotarian Ravi CTD. Chair Rotary Action Group Formation Rotarian Dharmalingam S. Chair Rotary Community Corps Formation Rotarian Rajiv Mishra. Chair CSR Funds Rotarian AGT George, Ajit George. Chair Fundraising, Rotarian Ram Prasad. Chair Youth Exchange, Rotarian Ratish CS. Chair District Priority, Rotarian Raju Subramanyam. Chair District Focus Earth, Rotarian Radhakrishnan AZ. Chair District Focus Water, Rotarian Jyoti Ramalingam. Chair District Focus People, Rotarian Tirumaleshwar Bhatt. Chair Bulletin Editor, Rotarian Balasubramanian SM. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Karthikeyan. Wishing you and your team a great Rotary year ahead. As we are very grateful to our dynamic governor for squeezing in some time between his heavy schedule to be with us this evening. And I request him now to give the chief guest address as he has to go for a GOV immediately after this. Sorry, kindly excuse me. I request the GGR to kindly introduce, though he doesn't need any introduction, that's why I overlooked it. The most well-known person in the district, but protocol calls that he should be introduced.
Thank you, MC. Good evening, fellow Rotarians. I'm sure all of you will agree that our dynamic DG does not need any introduction. But however, given an opportunity, I would like to jump at it and take the same. Rotarian Rajshekharan Srinivasan is a mechanical engineer from the prestigious PhD College of Technology, Coimbatore. From where he graduated with distinction in 1984. He's a licensed electrical consultant and runs a family business, Tandem Enterprises, which is concerned with testing, servicing, and maintenance of power transformers and high voltage switchgear. Rotarian Rajshekharan joined Rotary as a member of the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Midtown in 2001 and has ever since continued to occupy key positions in Rotary at both club and district levels. He was the secretary of this very prestigious club during 2004-05 and served as president during 2009-10. During his tenure as president, he was recognized as the outstanding president of the district, and the club was adjudged the best club for international service and also the outstanding club award for balanced activity. In December 2018, he was the unanimous choice of the nomination committee to the district governor of RI District 3201 for the year 2001-22. Rotarian Rajshekharan and his wife Shanti, who is the past president of Inner Wheel of Coimbatore, are fourth level major donors and benefactors to the Rotary Foundation. They have contributed USD 1,12,000 so far and continue to add to this every year. They have been members of the Rotary Friendship Exchange team and visited USA, RA District 5340 and UK, RA District 1200 and regularly host Rotarians visiting from those districts. Rotarian Rajshekharan is also very active in other professional and social organizations. He is an executive committee member of Tamil Nadu Electrical Contractors Association, a member of the Kodishia RAC Rotary Care for Life Society, and the Electrical Engineers Welfare Association. Rotarian Rajshekharan is an active Freemason and a golfer. He is a trekking enthusiast and his hobbies are reading and browsing the internet. Rotarian Rajshekharan and Aunt Shanti are blessed with two sons, R. Dinesh Damodaran and R. Arun Srinivasan, who are both married and working abroad. Friends, presenting to you our dynamic DG, Rotarian Rajshekharan Srinivasan. How is yours?
Thank you, Rotarian Sitaraman, for introducing me. Thank you. President Karthik Ramamurthy, President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town, the newly installed President of Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride, Rotarian D.K. Karthikeyan, District Trainer, Rotarian A. Venkatachalapati, Club Advisor, Rotarian Venkatesh Chaudhary, Assistant Governor, Rotarian Muruganandam, District General Secretary, Rotarian Murugan, District Membership Chair, Rotarian C.T. Tyagarajan, GGR, Rotarian Sitaraman, Presidents of sister clubs, the newly inducted members of Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride, invited guests, and of course, our bulletin editor, then Suresh Lund. Very good afternoon to you all. My first congratulations are to Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town, the president, for sponsoring a new club. In fact, this is one of the first steps. We have set a high target for ourselves of 7 new clubs, which you hope to surpass easily. And thanks to Karthik, Ramurthy, and your team. Where are you, Karthik? Thank you, Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town. And in a way, Coimbatore Pride will be a grandchild of Coimbatore Midtown. We sponsored Coimbatore Town and they have sponsored Coimbatore Pride. And me and your club advisor, Rotarian Chaudhary, go a long way. We have known each other for almost 40 years now. And he is again an anet of Rotary Coimbatore Midtown. And so many connections, I can think of so many today. And friends, this year we had the 7 wonders of Rotary as our goals. Of course, the district priorities were our lovely planet. Tamil solna ishta devadainu solluvaanga minus Tirupati Venkatachalapati and representative inga AV Pati irukiraru A Venkatachalapati. Adanal da I addressed you in full name, Venkatachalapati, Venkatesh Chaudhary from Tirupati, and the 7 hills, 7 again. And today 48th governor's visit. So yours will count as 49, again 7 and 7, 49. So many 7s here. So 7 wonders. The first goal was 7 new Rotary clubs. And your club, Coimbatore Town, has sponsored the first of the goals. And I am sure Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride will serve as a fitting first in this 7s. Let me also congratulate both your club advisor, Rotarian Chaudhary and D.K. Karthikeyan, for bringing together such a dynamic group of Rotarians. I've been going through the list, and Chaudhary, let me assure you that you've assembled a great set of individuals. I'm sure. Who's? Anand, congratulations to you. A great set of individuals you've gathered. And I'm also happy to see that all the positions possible have been filled. In fact, even in membership, you have given 2. In club administration, again, you have given 2. I find a fantastic set of individuals have been assembled. And I'm also happy to announce to you today that we have touched the magic figure of 6,000 today, membership. Just a few minutes back, I logged in. I found that now our district has 153 clubs and 6,000 members. So this day, in addition to being the chartered presentation day of Coimbatore Pride is also a day where we can take pride in having touched the magic figure of 6,000. And I'm sure not long, much later, we will also touch the magic figure of 7,000. Friends, regarding the other 7 wonders, the first is of course the Rotary 7 new clubs. Then we have 70 Interact and Rotaract clubs. There again, I am sure we will be touching the 70 because already we have charted at least 10 Rotaract clubs already. And 700 RCCs. There again, we are on the right track. We have started nearly 200 as of now, the last count. 7,000, of course, we have reached the 6,000 mark. Hopefully, we'll soon reach the 7,000. 70,000 is, of course, the youth support, which again, I think is very much possible. And friends, your club has the district focus, earth, water and people, our district priorities, our lovely planet, which is again going to focus a lot on the agriculture sector, the farmers. We have targeted 7 lakh farmers support, and I'm sure your club will go a long way in achieving that too. The last focus is on 700 lakhs to the annual program fund of the Rotary Foundation. There, I don't know, Chaudhary is saying this or this. Of course, you can and you will. Tomorrow is World Polio Day, and we have christened it as Gratitude Day tomorrow. And a lot of clubs have contributed. And I myself have just a few hours back contributed $1,000 to the foundation for polio fund. Tomorrow, we want all the clubs to contribute at least $100, at least. And you can make a beginning. Chaudhary? Not 100, 1,000. 100 will be done, yes. Let us have all clubs contributing tomorrow. That is our aim, and that I think all the assistant governors have been intensely following up with clubs. We want to achieve that figure. Friends, let me end with the words of poet Robert Frost, the poem, The Road Less Traveled. 2 paths diverge in the woods, and I took the one less traveled, and that has made all the difference. Karthi and Chaudhary, you have taken the road less traveled, and I'm sure it will make a big difference. And let us, friends, together serve to change lives and make our lovely planet even lovelier. And thank you once again for the opportunity.
May I request District Trainer, the most charming, handsome Pati, to join the governor on stage for a very special occasion. Now, everything is done in style, like how Pati has a flair to do things. So, the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Pride has great pleasure in releasing their logo.
I take great pleasure and pride in presenting to you the logo of E-Club Pride. Please give them a big hand. Congratulations and all the best.
Next. Volume.
I have to thank Rotarian Nirmal
Nirmal, please. For the great work what he has done to this. He has
Thanks,
designed
Nirmal.
all the designs and all the has been done by Rotary Nirmal. Thank you, Nirmal.
ரஜினி படம் பார்த்த எஃபெக்ட் இருக்குங்க. சூப்பர். நல்லா சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
Governor, 1 minute, just hold on, stay there for one more second. Thank you is a very small word to express our gratitude. I request Rotarian Chowdhury to extend a small token of our gratitude to District Governor Rajshekhar for sparing his valuable time to be here. When a new baby is born, it's customary that there are always wishes and blessings by all. So we start the felicitation by Rotarian Balaji Babu, President of Rotary Downtown, on behalf of G4363 sister clubs. Actually, it is now G44 with the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Pride coming in.
Good evening, District Governor Rotarian Rajshekharan. Good evening, Rotarian Pati sir, and officials of Rotary International District 3201. This is a very pride moment for Coimbatore District. I think from now onwards, it's going to be Karthik calling Karthik. This ringtone is going to be all around in Coimbatore, and we all are going to be feeling more pride with what we have achieved. I congratulate President Rotarian Karthik Ramamurthy for this, and I also welcome the new President Rotarian Karthik. So Karthik calling Karthik is going to be a great ringtone for this year. Thank you, sir. DG, I would like to tell you that 7 letters you said, even Karthik has got 7 letters. Thank you.
Thank you, President. Now, who else but the most charming district trainer, Rotarian A.V. Pati, to offer his felicitations.
Hello, yeah. District Governor Rajshekhar, newly installed President Karthik, and installing President Karthik, and of course my good friend Chowdhury, DJS Murugan, and the very dynamic membership chair, CTT, Assistant Governor Muruganandam, GGR Sitaraman, friends of Rotary Friends, as well as the newly installed our newly inducted members of Rotary Pride and Rotary Town. It's such a delight to be here in front of all Rotarians as you are assuming charge of the new club. Congratulations to Rotary Pride that's just been formed, and congratulations to Rotary Town that has initiated the process and has brought pride to all of us. If you take a moment to see on this side, the kind of painting that, in the side, just see this painting that is there. Such a beautifully done artist work here, his imagination, or he must have thought every aspect of that is pride. So right from junction, Kovil, train to Ooty, each aspect, Pukada, he thought it's pride. Yeah. Oh, in the side or pride, in the side or pride. It's so beautifully done. Why I'm saying is somebody took the effort of understanding what pride of Coimbatore is, and he's put it in form of painting. It's so beautifully, tastefully done. So we have town here who has also thought we should give something it's the 7th year of theirs right now. And she said, as Governor DG who said, 7 is a very lucky number. It's a 7th year and they have formed this new club. And I'm sure it's a pride, it's a jewel, I would say, for town. Congratulations. And I'm sure they're going to do extremely well because each one of them who is here, I was telling Chaudhary, the man who makes new clubs, very interesting new clubs. Last club that he formed was the Akruti with all women there. And this is a club which has got assorted members from different locations. You have somebody from Trichy, somebody from Madurai, somebody from Chennai, and so many places. All of you all have come collected for this purpose, and it's shrinking. Our whole, the entire world and universe is shrinking. And we have somebody, my good friend who's here, you know, Suresh Lon, he always used to say that the world is shrinking in Tech City, and that is why he's able to come out with such beautiful work. And he was the GML editor. And this time too, when you look at the beautiful GML he's doing, it's so very nice, dynamically being done. So the whole world is shrinking and coming to one kind of sync together. And we can see it here. The new Rotary wave or the new Rotary type of clubs that we are forming are very, very diversified, not in the way of classification, not in the way of language, not in the way of people, but in the way of being away, being in different locations, but yet we are able to form a club. That's the new diversification we have in Rotary and is working very, very effectively. For the reason that somebody sitting in the US, for example, our RI President-elect Jennifer is able to address us for one of the meetings here. And we are able to bring the next governor somewhere sitting in Canada who is able to come and address the meeting here. So these are the advantages, or I would say it has shrunk Rotary to such a way that we're looking at it as a more advantageous position for formation of Rotary as well as for going ahead. So let me wish on this fantastic juncture of getting to know new Rotary, the new wave of Rotary, that the world is shrinking, world is one place, much easier to connect. And it's a beautiful way to connect to your club today, the Rotary Pride as well as the Rotary Town. And wishing you all the very best to each one of the new members of Rotary Pride and to the president especially, Karthik. I see always they say when they do something very well, they ask you to do it again. Or of course the other way also, when you don't do it, they ask you to do it again. But here I am sure Karthik did very well, extremely well, that he's been asked to do the presidentship again, and I'm sure it's going to be roaring success again. Wish you all the best and wish the new members all the very best at Pride. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thank you, Gaurav, for your most inspiring words. A small token of our appreciation. Now, this is a gentleman who's known in the district as a walking book of Rotary. His knowledge of Rotary is so vast. I think you didn't guess it, or some of you guessed it. None other than our District General Secretary, Murugan, to offer his felicitations.
இடரினும் தளரினும் எனதொரு நோய் தொடரினும் உன்கழல் தொழுதெழுவேன் கடலில் கலந்த அமிழ்த நெஞ்சை மிடரினில் அடக்கிய வேதியனே. Presidents Karthi and Karthi, District Governor Rotary Rajashekhar Srinivasan, District Trainer Padi, Membership Chair Rotarian CTT, Assistant Governor Muruganandam, GGR Sitaraman, and fellow Rotarians. Good evening to all of you. At the outset, I would like to thank Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town for sponsoring the first Rotary Club of this year in Coimbatore, Rotary Club of Coimbatore Pride. Thank you, downtown towners, for all the efforts you have put in to give a new baby to this district. Thank you very much. As our governor said, any Rotary Club, to be an effective Rotary Club, it needs 4 major elements. Should have four major elements. You should continue to grow and grow. Like every tree, it has to grow, otherwise it has to branch out. Otherwise it cannot become a garden. So like that,
any Rotary Club, it has to continuously grow. So I thank the new club for aiming to reach the figure of 100 members during this year itself, the very first year itself. Thank you very much that you will be definitely become a vibrant and very effective club. The second element of a vibrant club is that the club should implement more and more impact and meaningful projects. You may be anybody, you may be a big person or you may be a wealthy person, but as a Rotarian, the world will see you only by your activities, your service activities. So I request the club to continuously, seamlessly do projects to touch the lives of the people. That is the second element. The third element is we have a charitable arm called Rotary Foundation. We have to support the Rotary Foundation. We have not only donating funds to Rotary Foundation, availing the services, availing the facilities of the Rotary Foundation and taking it to the underprivileged people. So that also you have to do. That is the third element of an effective Rotary Club. The fourth element of an effective Rotary Club is that it has to develop leaders beyond the club level. From your club, maybe in another 5 years or 10 years, we should have a governor from the district. You have to develop more leaders for the future of the Rotary. So these are all the four major elements of an effective Rotary Club. This is my appeal to the leadership of the new club to make your club as a more vibrant and very effective Rotary Club. This is one thing. A second thing is I would like to thank a few people here. I would like to start with our new club advisor, Rotarian Chowdhury sir, because he is a third generation Rotarian. His grandfather was the person who brought Rotary to Coimbatore. He is the major influence. He is the person who introduced the Rotary through his European connections to Coimbatore. So I have to thank you, sir. And also, he is the person, he provided the place for Rotary meetings here in Coimbatore. So thank you very much for your grandfather through you, sir. So next thing is the Rotarian Karthikeyan. You have got a right person as the charter president. Karthikeyan is a person with wide contacts. He knows everybody in the industrial circle here in Coimbatore, not only in Coimbatore, throughout India. He has got very wide connections and very strong connections. He can definitely make this club as a very effective and vibrant club. Thank you, Karthi, for all the efforts you have put in to bring in all these new members. Thank you very much. And I have an appeal to all the new Rotarians. We welcome you to this wonderful world called Rotary. Kindly engage yourself in Rotary activities. Meet maximum number of people, meet more and more number of people, visit other clubs. As I have informed you during the orientation program, you will enjoy Rotary only when you meet people, when you attend the programs, when you attend the other club meetings. If you stay back in Rotary for 3 years, definitely you will be a Rotarian for your lifelong. Definitely you will be a Rotarian for your lifelong. Thank you very much. All the very best to all the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Pride. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Murugan, for your most valuable inputs. Please accept a small token of our appreciation. City. Is CT going? I now request the one person I know who's been most hardworking in bringing new members into the Rotary fold and also starting new clubs. It's none other than our district chair for membership, Rotarian City, as we fondly call him, City Tyagarajan, to kindly offer his felicitations.
President Karthik Ramurthy, the dignitaries on of the dais. I'm very happy to be here for the installation of 43rd Club in Coimbatore. Our President, Dr. D.K. Karthikeyan, is the 43rd Charter President, sharing honors like greats like Ratnasavati Mulayar and others. In 1905, our founder, Dr. Paul Harris, said, Rotary changes us and those we serve. 116 years later, our RA President, Dr. Shekhar Mehta, asked us to serve to change life. Over 116 years, a lot has changed in Rotary. This E-Club is a new change in the way Rotary serves and operates. But the only thing that will not change about Rotary is our commitment to service. I'm sure this new E-Club will only enhance and endure our commitment of service above self. This E-Club was formed on the principle, necessity is the mother of invention. We have Rotarians engaged in business in different towns who travel very frequently. The time for Rotary was constantly taken upon by travel. Rotary E-Club offered them a wonderful option where they could find time for both their business and for Rotary. I'm sure they will start a trend. I hope that this trend that will not only set the test of time, but also start the new times. I thank our district governor for his vision of improving our membership and clubs. I'm thankful to Dr. Karthik of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town for extending a new club in their 7th year of service. I thank our club advisor, Dr. Chowdhury. I'm thankful to all the lovely people who have united together to take action in the name of Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride. I would leave this with lovely quote. Take pride in how far you have come. Keep faith in how far you can go. I wish the Rotary E-Club of Coimbatore Pride a very long and illustrious journey of Rotary. Thank you.
Thank you, CT, for your lovely words. We appreciate your huge efforts, what you have taken. Please accept a small token of our appreciation. President Karthikeyan. Thank you is a very small word, but still we would like to appreciate our gratitude and thanks to our dynamic AG.
இப்போ ஜஸ்ட் பார்த்தேன் நான் ஒரு ஸ்மால் இது அப்பாங்கிற ஒரு புக்கு கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. எனக்கு ஸ்ட்ரைக் ஆனது வந்து இப்போதான் ஜஸ்ட் கம் டு நோ யார் அட்வைஸ்ன்னு. அப்போ அப்பாங்கிற ஸ்தானம் கொடுக்குறப்ப கார்த்திக் யூ ஆர் பிளஸ்ட் டு ஹேவ் சச் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் பர்சன் ரொட்டேரியன் சௌத்ரி சார். அவர் வந்து கிளப் அட்வைசர் அப்பாவா இருக்காரு. ஐ திங்க் ஹி வில் கைட் யூ அண்ட் ரிச் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அவர் இருக்கு. கைட் யூ. ஐ திங்க் யூ டேக் மோர் லாரல்ஸ் அண்ட் ஐ வின் மை ஹார்ட்ஃபுல் தேங்க்ஸ் டு யூ and my wishes to you to win lot of accolades with the help of Rotarians, senior Rotarians, to win thumbs up accolades in your term. Thank you.
Thank you, Assistant Governor Muruganandan. Our GGR, the tall, handsome Sitaraman ji. Well, they say you need a male and a female to produce a child. So the male and female here are none other than the town president, Karthik, and his dynamic secretary. Please come up. We would like to express our gratitude to you for producing this child, Coimbatore Pride. Rotary is all about protocols and systems. And the most powerful person in a hall is none other than the senior sergeant of arms and the junior sergeant of arms. We'd like to thank them for the extraordinary work they have done. Really, hats off to you. Fantastic job. Nirmal, I'd like to thank Nirmal Shaktivel Bhopal for the lovely work they have done in bringing out this very unique logo. Sendil. Secretary Sendil. Sham, okay. Thank you for being with us this evening. Well, that brings us to a good end.
I would now request Rotarian J.V. Chaudhary to honor our editor of Gmail, Rotarian Lund, who has taken 2 days, almost 2 days he has been with us, and he has designed the whole agenda for us. Thank you very much, Rotarian Lund.
Well, it's time now for the Charter Secretary, Rotarian Anand, to deliver his first official vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of all the members of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Pride, we would like to recognize the efforts and vision of our club advisor, Rotarian J.V. Chaudhary, who has initiated this unique club. I would like to thank all the members and the president of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Town for sponsoring our club. I would like to thank the district governor, Rotarian Rajsekhar Srinivasan, for his active involvement in bringing valuable insight to the forum today. I would like to thank DGS Rotarian Murugan for his proactive guidance. I would like to thank the district trainer, membership development chair, AG and GGR for having felicitated the team of our new club. I would like to thank President Rotarian Karthik and President Rotarian Karthik for having chaired the proceedings today. I'd like to thank Rotarian Suresh Lund for being the master of ceremony for today's function. Finally, I would like to thank all the Rotarians present here today. Thank you all.
Thank you, Anand. I would like to thank Vinod and Sadik, who has been for long 2 days. He has been spending our time with us, and he has been helping us with a lot of things. Thank you, Vinod and Sadik. And Unfortunately, I have left someone. எல்லாத்தையும் நீங்க சொல்லிட்டோம் இல்லையா? எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லிட்டோம் இல்லையா? Okay, thank you one now, thank you. Rotary Club of Coimbatore, Pride, first meeting adjourned.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता